Good morning to all those students who are preparing for CA Foundation May attempt. That is next month you're going to write the exams. For you people, I have decided to give you some small bits which will help you to answer some of the MCQ questions very quickly. Most importantly in economics, you need to have a concept knowledge. By reading, practicing so much also, it's very difficult because end of the day, examiner point of view questions will be little different. Now, we have a concept called business cycles. In economics, business cycles, chapter 5 you have. Business cycles are basically ups and downs that happen in the economy. Macro variables like output, employment, investment, consumption, saving. Macroeconomic variables like output, employment, consumption, investment, saving, demand, supply, prices, profits, costs. All these economic variables, if there is a fluctuation, we generally call it as business cycle. So business cycle is not just up and down, it is about these economic variables going down and going up, so on and so forth. There are two very important phases, like though there are 4 phases, but 2 very important phases. Like generally business cycles, we have got depression, we have got expansion, we have got peak stage, we have got recession, and we have got again depression. But out of these 4, if you see carefully, there are 2 very important things that are very important. That is expansion, which is also called recovery stage, recession, which is also called a contraction stage. Expansion, which is also called recovery stage, and contraction, which is also called recession stage. What happens in expansion? This video main objective is to tell you what exactly happens in expansion. There will be an increase in output, there will be an increase in employment, there will be an increase in aggregate demand, there will be an increase in capital expenditure, there will be an increase in sales, there will be an increase in profit, there will be an increase in bank credit, stock prices, etc., etc. That means all the resources are going to be extensively utilized, and this particular stage called expansion will continue until the economy reaches full employment. During this stage, there are only 2 unemployment levels that can exist. That is involuntary unemployment. That is involuntary unemployment is absolutely 0. So there are only 2 important employments that may exist. Involuntary unemployment in the sense deliberately being unemployed will be 0, but there will be 2 important unemployments. That is frictional unemployment, which is temporary. Yes, because of strikes, lockouts, bunds, etc. Structural unemployment, when the economy is undergoing changes from agriculture to industry, industry to service sector, etc. There are 2 very important unemployments here, frictional unemployment and structural unemployment. Everybody clear? So during this stage, then definitely prices will increase, wages will increase, incomes will increase, everything. So people will have high standard of living and prosperity will be there.